One of my favorite things to do is to recreate inspo pictures using Ellie and Mac patterns. When I saw this inspiration, I knew that I was going to use the oversized tee by Ellie and Mac because it's one of my favorite tops. The first thing I did was hem the sleeve, and then I grabbed my shoulders and faced them right sides together, front and back, and sewed it on my sewing machine, leaving that seam allowance open for me to be able to create a casing in where I'm going to insert the straps. I went ahead and opened that seam allowance and top stitch each side down with my sewing machine, like you see here. I also created some straps with just long strips of fabric, and then I went ahead and inserted those straps to the little casings that I had made. Once I had inserted the straps there, all was left to do is just to sew it like I normally would the rest of the way. Now, if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this, don't worry, I have a full tutorial on the Ellie and Mac YouTube channel, so make sure to go check it out. I love that you can do this to many different tops, not just the oversized tee, and you can do it on the shoulders, on the sides, on the hem, anywhere you want to. Now comment below and let me know, did I get it right? What do you think?